नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ द अल्कोहोल. पहिल्या पार्ट मध्ये आपण स्टडी करूया नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ अल्कोहोल. नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ द अल्कोहोल. इन केस ऑफ द नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ द अल्कोहोल, in the nomenclature of alcohol we can study the three type of nomenclature. One is the carbinol system, another one is the common system, and then the IUPAC system. Okay, out of that two systems, with the common system as well as the IUPAC system, we have studied in the last year also. One more is the carbinol system. First, we can study the carbinol system. What is the according to the carbinol system? How to the name of the alcohol? Firstly, no carbinols. Okay, in that carbinol system, in the carbinol system, suppose we can in the carbinol there, suppose we can consider this is the alcohol CH3OH, and that CH3OH is called as a carbinol. हा CH3OH जो आहे त्यालाच म्हणायचं आहे कार्बिनॉल जो आहे तो कार्बिनॉल. सॉरी, हा जो CH3OH जो आहे this is called as a carbinol, and the alcohols are the derivative of the carbinols. Alcohols can be considered as a derivative of this carbinols. अल्कोहोल कन्सिडर करत असताना हे कार्बिनॉल जाते, कार्बिनॉलचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह जाते, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह that means the hydrogen atom from the CH3 group can be replaced by the alkyl group. Hydrogen atom from the CH3 group can be replaced by this alkyl group. The name of that alkyl group can be written firstly, and then word carbinol is added into that one. लक्षात आलं का? बघा, याच्यामध्ये कार्बिनॉल जाते, कार्बिनॉल सिस्टीम मध्ये आपण बघत असता इट कॅन बी कन्सिडर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ दिस कार्बिनॉल, इन विच the hydrogen atom from the CH3 group, hydrogen atom from this CH3 group can be replaced by the alkyl group, that is same alkyl group or maybe the different alkyl group. When this hydrogen atom can be replaced by the alkyl group, name of that alkyl group can be written first in. त्या alkyl group चं नेम जाते, नेम अगोदर लिहा, and then word carbinol is added into that name. त्या नावामध्ये परत काय ऍड करायचंय? कार्बिनॉल जाते, कार्बिनॉल त्या नावामध्ये ऍड जाते, ऍड करायचंय. लक्षात येते का? बघा, firstly we can write the name of the alkyl group which replaces the hydrogen atom from the CH3 group, and then word carbinol is added into that name. For you can take example as a CH3 CH2OH, CH3 CH2OH. Now in that example, one hydrogen atom from the CH3 can be replaced by the CH3. One hydrogen atom from this methyl group can be replaced by the methyl group CH2OH. Okay, then the first we can write the name of this alkyl group. Firstly, we can write the name of this alkyl group, that is the methyl. Okay, first we can write the name of the alkyl group, and then word carbinol is added into that name. त्याच्यामध्ये परत कार्बिनॉल शब्द ऍड करा, म्हणजे काय झालं याचं नाव? मिथाइल कार्बिनॉल. नेम जे आहे ते नेम काय झालं याचं? मिथाइल कार्बिनॉल जो आहे तो मिथाइल कार्बिनॉल. आलं का लक्षात? बघा, हा CH3 CH2OH आहे. हा CH3 मधला एक हायड्रोजन ॲटम आपण CH3 रिप्लेस केला. वी कॅन राईट द नेम ऑफ दिस अल्काइल ग्रुप, दॅट इज मिथाइल, अँड देन वर्ड कार्बिनॉल इज ऍडेड. मग त्याच्यामध्ये नाव काय ऍड केलं आपण? कार्बिनॉल जो आहे तो कार्बिनॉल हा शब्द त्याच्यामध्ये ऍड जायचं, ऍड केलं, नाव झालं मिथाइल कार्बिनॉल. काय नेम झालं याचं? मिथाइल कार्बिनॉल जो आहे तो मिथाइल कार्बिनॉल. सी अनदर वन मोर एक्झाम्पल, C2H5 CH2OH, CH2H5 CH2OH, that is this hydrogen atom can be replaced by the C2H5. Then we can write the name of this alkyl group first, ethyl, and then word कार्बिनॉल इज ऍडेड. त्याच्यामध्ये कार्बिनॉल हा शब्द ऍड करा, म्हणजे काय झालं? मिथाइल कार्बिनॉल. नेम कॅन बिकम्स द मिथाइल कार्बिनॉल. C2H5 CH2OH, hydrogen atom from the CH3 can be replaced by the C2H5 CH2OH. This is ethyl carbinol. This is the ethyl carbinol. Ethyl carbinol. Understand? Say another one more example, CH3 CH C2H5 and then this OH. CH3 CH C2H5, that is we can replace the two hydrogen atom. We replace the two hydrogen atom by the two alkyl groups. So hydrogen atom can be replaced by the two different alkyl group. Then we can write the name of this alkyl group. This is different, therefore we can write the alphabetically. Ethyl is the first, then this methyl, then we can write the methyl and then carbinol. Then carbinol. This name can become ethyl methyl carbinol. Ethyl methyl carbinol. Ethyl methyl carbinol. Say another one more example. CH3 CH CH3OH. CH3 CH3OH. That is, this hydrogen atom can be replaced by the two same alkyl group. Therefore, it is a dimethyl carbinol. Dimethyl carbinol. This is a dimethyl carbinol. Okay. So another one more example. CH3 CH3 CH3OH. That is 3 hydrogen atom from CH3. 3 hydrogen atom from the CH3 can be replaced by the 3 alkyl group, that is methyl group. Therefore, name of this compound can become the trimethyl carbinol. Name of this compound is a trimethyl carbinol. Okay, this is the carbinol system. See, परत एकदा बघा, याच्यामध्ये CH3OH is the carbinol. CH3OH, that is methyl alcohol, is known as a carbinol, and then compounds can be considered derivative of the CH3OH. Derivative of the CH3OH, in which hydrogen atom from the CH3 can be replaced by the alkyl group. Hydrogen atom from the CH3 group can be replaced by the alkyl group, is called as a carbinol system. दुसरा म्हणायचं आहे कार्बिनॉल सिस्टीम जाते, कार्बिनॉल सिस्टीम. लक्षात येते का बघा. मग याच्यामध्ये आपण रिप्लेस केला हायड्रोजन atom by the CH3, therefore we can create the methyl carbinol. Also we can replace the hydrogen atom by the C2H5 ethyl carbinol. That is, write the name of this alkyl group firstly. You can write the name of the alkyl group firstly and then carbinol is added. नंतर मग त्याच्यामध्ये carbinol हा वर्ड आहे तो वर्ड काय करतो आपण ऍड आहे तो ऍड करतो. नेक्स्ट आहे याच्यामध्ये 2 हायड्रोजन atom can be replaced by the CH3 and the C2H5. दोन अलग डिफरंट अल्काइल ग्रुप न हे हायड्रोजन atom आपण रिप्लेस केले. दिस बिकम्स इथाइल मिथाइल कार्बिनॉल. काय नाव झालं याचं? इथाइल मिथाइल कार्बिनॉल आहे तो इथाइल मिथाइल कार्बिनॉल. ऑल्सो this is dimethyl carbinol, that is 2 hydrogen atom can be replaced by the 2 same alkyl group, therefore this is dimethyl carbinol. Here 3 hydrogen atom from the CH3 can be replaced by the 3 methyl group, therefore it is a trimethyl carbinol. This is the trimethyl carbinol. Understand this? These are the right name of the nomenclature of the alcohol according to the carbinol system. ह्या कार्बिनॉल सिस्टीम जाते, कार्बिनॉल सिस्टीम नुसार हे नॉमिक्लेचर जाते, नॉमिक्लेचर आहे. दुसरं दोन सिस्टीम्स आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये एक IUPAC सिस्टीम आणि अनदर वन इज अ ट्रायव्हल सिस्टीम किंवा त्यालाच म्हणतो आपण कॉमन नेम जाते, कॉमन नेम. ओके, IUPAC नेम आणि कॉमन नेम जाते. कॉमन नेम का आपण याच्यामध्ये बघणार जसं आपण यू कॅन स्टडी इन द अल्किल अलाइड. अल्किल अलाइड मध्ये आपण बघितलं त्याच्यामध्ये इन केस ऑफ द कॉमन नेम वी कॅन यूज द प्रिफिक्स एज अ एन, आयसो, टर्सरी or neo. That prefix can be used into the common name, and in the IUPAC name there are some rules. Firstly, we have to select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom containing hydroxyl group. Firstly, we can select the longest continuous chain containing the hydroxyl group, then give the number to the selected chain in such a way that OH group can be attached to the carbon atom carries the lowest possible number. OH group can be attached to the carbon atom carries the lowest possible number. And next, if the other substances are the present, then we can use the prefix as a ethyl methyl. A prefix त्याच्यामध्ये use करायचे का they can be written as a proper number or name. Okay, and last one is that replace suffix e from the name of the alkane. Suffix e from the name of the alkane. This suffix e from the name of the alkane by the OL. Okay, अल्केनच्या नावामधला शेवटचा ई जो आहे तो कशाने रिप्लेस करायचा आहे? OL जो आहे तो OL. दॅट नेम कॅन बिकम अल्कॅनॉल. काय नाव झालं याचं? अल्कॅनॉल. लक्षात येत आहे का बघा? हा अल्कॅनॉल जायचं. अल्कॅनॉल झाला. आयुर्वेदिक नेम मध्ये परत एकदा बघा. फर्स्टली सिलेक्ट लॉंगेस्ट कंटेंट चेन ऑफ कार्बन atom containing the hydroxyl group. Then second, give the number in the such a way that the hydroxyl group attached to the carbon atom carries the lowest possible number. If other substances are the present, they can be written as a proper way. That means the alkyl group can be present. That is the branches can be present. That branches can be written as a proper way. And last one is the suffix e from the name of the alkane replaced by the OL. अल्केनच्या नावामधला शेवटचा ई जो आहे हा ई कशाने रिप्लेस करायचा आहे? OL न रिप्लेस आहे तो OL न रिप्लेस आहे तो रिप्लेस करायचा. नेम काय झालं याचा? अल्कॅनॉल. काय नेम झालं याचा? Alkanol जाते. Alkanol. Name of this compound can becomes the alkanol. Okay, this is the nomenclature of this alcohol. It is a common system and the IUPAC system. बघा एक्झाम्पल्स आहे तो एक्झाम्पल आपण घेऊ याच्यामध्ये. Suppose we can take this example CH3OH. CH3OH. Firstly, we can write the name of the alkyl group, that is the CH3. This is the CH3. Name of this CH3 is the methyl, and then word alcohol is added. Name of this compound can become the methyl alcohol. In the carbinol system, this is the carbinol. This is the carbinol. In the common system, this is a methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. Write the name of the alkyl group firstly, and then word alcohol is added. Methyl alcohol. Okay. Next, IUPAC name. In that IUPAC name, how many carbon atoms? It is the one carbon atom. From the one carbon atom, the corresponding alkane is the methane. Corresponding alkane is the methane, and from the E from the methane can be replaced by the OL. E from the methane can be replaced by the OL. It can become methanol. This is the IUPAC name. IUPAC name, and this is the common name. Okay, common name and IUPAC name. Clear झालं? हे झालं IUPAC name. This is the common name that is common name. दुसरे example आपण घेऊ याच्यामध्ये. Suppose we can take the example as a C2H5OH. C2H5OH. In the common system, write the name of the alkyl group. This is the ethyl. Firstly, we can write the name of the alkyl group ethyl. Then word alcohol is added. Ethyl alcohol. Common name is the ethyl alcohol. Okay. And in the IUPAC name, select longest chain. How many carbon atom? 2 carbon atom. Therefore, we can write the ethane. Okay. From the ethane, we can replace E by the OL. Ethane. From the ethane, replace E by the OL. It is the ethanol. Name काय झालं याचा? Ethanol. This is the ethanol. Okay. C2H5. Common name is ethyl alcohol. IUPAC name is ethanol. Okay. Next. CH3, CH2, CH2OH. CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Okay. In the common system, 1, 2, 3 carbon atom. Therefore, it is a propyl. Okay. In that propyl, this is a straight chain. We can use the prefix N. And then word alcohol is added. N-propyl alcohol. N-propyl alcohol. In the IUPAC name. In the IUPAC name. Firstly, we can write select longest chain 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is the carbon atom. So OH group is attached to the first carbon atom. 3 carbon atom containing alkane is the propane. OH group is attached to the first carbon atom. Then we can write the 1 and then OL. Propane 1 OL. Propane 1 OL. See another example. CH3, CH, OH, CH3. CH3, CH, OH, CH3. Okay. In that example, in the common name, 1, 2, 3, propyl. This is a branch on the second carbon atom. Therefore, it is can use a prefix isopropyl, and then word alcohol is added. This is the isopropyl alcohol. In case of the common IUPAC name, we can select 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we can write the name propane. Okay. Propane. And then OH group is attached to the second carbon atom. Then we can write the propane 2OL. Propane 2OL. Name of this compound is becomes the propane 2OL. Propane 2OL. Okay. Next. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. How many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the butyl. In the common name, It is a butyl. This is straight chain. We can write the prefix "can," butyl, and then word alcohol is added. Then word alcohol is added. N-butyl alcohol. N-butyl alcohol. In the IUPACic name, this is carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The OH group is attached to the first carbon atom. OH group is attached to the first carbon atom. Therefore, it is the butane and then OL. Butane 1 OL. See another one example. Okay. In that example, 1, 2, 3, and the 4. Therefore, also it is the butyl. But on the second carbon atom, one methyl group is present. Therefore, we can write the prefix iso, and then word alcohol is added. Therefore, it is isobutyl alcohol. Isobutyl alcohol. Name of this compound is the isobutyl alcohol. Isobutyl alcohol. In the case of the common name, so IUPACic name, this is one carbon atom, this is 2, and then 3. On the second carbon atom, one methyl group is present. On the second carbon atom, one methyl group is present. Okay. Therefore, we can write the 2-methyl. We can write the 2-methyl. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 longest chain of the 3 carbon atom. Therefore, we can write the propane. Okay. Then the OH group is attached to the first carbon atom. OH group is attached to the first carbon atom. Therefore, it can write the 1 OL. That is a 2-methyl propane 1 OL. 2-methyl propane 1 OL. Understand this? This is the one more example. See another example. See. बघा हे एक्झाम्पल जे आहे ते एक्झाम्पल दिसतंय का बघा व्यवस्थित परत मी लिहितो. Okay. See, in that example, in the common name, we can write as like the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and the 4. Okay. When 4 carbon atom, therefore we can write the butyl. Write the butyl. The OH group is attached to the tertiary carbon atom. OH group is attached to the tertiary carbon atom. Therefore, we can write the prefix here tertiary. We can write the prefix here tertiary. Okay. Then word alcohol is added. Word alcohol is added. नंतर मग त्याच्यामध्ये alcohol हा word add केलाय आपण. Okay. In the IUPACic name, firstly we can select longest chain 1, 2, 3. Okay. On the second carbon atom, CH3 is attached. Also the OH group is attached. Therefore, IUPACic name can be written as a 2-methyl. 2-methyl. Then 1, 2, 3 longest chain of the 3 carbon atom. Therefore, it is the propane. Then 2OL. Propane 2OL. 2-methyl propane 2OL. 2-methyl propane 2OL. Okay. Say another one more example. Okay. CH2OH, CH2OH. There is 2 hydroxyl groups. The common name is ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. And in case of the IUPACic name, this is carbon atom 1 and this is carbon atom 2. Therefore, we can write the ethane. Okay, 1, 2 diol. Di for 2 hydroxyl group. Di for 2 hydroxyl group, we can write the diol. this diol is two hydroxyl group is attached to 1 and 2 carbon atom. Therefore, we can write the 1 and 2, and this is the ethane. Ethane 1,2 diol. Ethane 1,2 diol. Can take another one more example. CH2OH. CHOH and then CH2OH. See this example. 1, 2, 3. Then also 3 hydroxyl 1, 2, and the 3 hydroxyl group. The common name of this compound is the glycerol or propylene glycerol. Glycerol म्हणा किंवा दुसरं नेम याचा propylene glycerol. And in case of the IUPAC name, this is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and then 3. Therefore, we can write the as 1, 2, 3 propane. Okay. Then OH group is attached to the first, second, and third carbon atom. Therefore, we can write the 1, 2, 3, and then word is a triol. काय ऍड करायचं पुढं ट्रायल्स आहे तो ट्रायल त्याच्यामध्ये ऍड करायचे. काय ऍड करायचं आहे ट्रायल्स. लक्षात आहे प्रोपेन 1, 2, 3 ट्रायल. प्रोपेन 1, 2, 3 ट्रायल. दिस इज द IUPAC नेम ऑफ द अल्कोहोल. IUPAC नेम ऑफ द अल्कोहोल. हे अल्कोहोल आहे ते अल्कोहोलचं IUPAC नेम आहे. अल्कोहोलच्या IUPAC नेम मध्ये दोन प्रकार आपण ऍक्च्युअली 3 प्रकार बघितले. फर्स्ट वन काय साठी द कार्बिनॉल सिस्टम. Another one is the common system, and next one is the IUPAC system. In the carbinol system, the CH3OH is considered as a carbinol. CH3OH is considered as a carbinol. CH3OH ला आपण कार्बिनॉल जाते. कार्बिनॉल म्हटलं त्या कार्बिनॉल जाते. कार्बिनॉलचे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपण घेतले आणि you can write the name of the alkyl group which replace the hydrogen atom from the CH3. Then we can add the word carbinol. नंतर त्याच्यामध्ये कार्बिनॉल हा शब्द जो आहे तो शब्द ऍड केला. In the common name, we can write the name of the alkyl group firstly, in which a hydroxyl group is attached. Then alcohol word alcohol is added. And in the IUPAC name, we can select the longest container. There are 4 rules. Select longest container of carbon atom containing the hydroxyl group. Give the number to the selected chain in such a way that the OH group attached to the carbon atom carries the lowest possible number. OH group attached to the carbon atom carries the lowest possible number. If the alkyl group is present into the chain, that the name of the alkyl group can be written as a proper way. And last one is the replace suffix E from the name of the alkane by the OL. Replace suffix E from the name of alkane by the OL, that is alkanol. It is considered as a alkanol. Okay, this is the nomenclature of the alcohol. This is the nomenclature of the alcohol. Clear झालं इथपर्यंत. हे nomenclature आहे ते nomenclature आहे.